In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to remove the arrow icon from your desktop shortcut. Let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar. Type in Registry Editor. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. The Registry Editor window will open. In the Registry Editor, go to the File Address bar and paste this folder's address. You can copy the location of this folder from the video description. Press Enter. It will automatically select this folder named Explorer. Right-click on the Explorer folder. Select New, then Key. It will create a new folder. Rename it to Shell Icons. Right-click on the newly created Shell Icons key. Select New, then String Value, and name it 29. Double-click on the 29 folder you just created. In the Value Data field, enter this code. You will find this code in the video description box. Click OK. Close this window. To see the changes, you need to restart your PC. After restarting Windows, your desktop icons should no longer display shortcut arrows. As you can see, the arrow icon has been removed. This method will also work on any new shortcuts that you create in the future. If you decide to restore the shortcut arrows later, just delete the Shell Icons folder. Then restart Windows Explorer or reboot your computer and it will go back to normal. Remember, this method will work on Windows 10, 11, and any upcoming versions.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.